This is where we're gonna put the pigs. Today I went with the tractor and drilled the holes. And now we're using the post hole digger to fine tune the holes. Now we're gonna put the pig wire up. We're gonna build like a little trench first to bury the wire in. So we're using this tool to create a little trench all the way around, and then we're sticking the fence down in that trench and then recovering it. That's what we have so far. So down here, I'm pushing down the fence. Then I'm using these sterling nails to nail onto the fence. Then repeating the process, and then we go along and fill this all back in. Sorta helps prevent the pigs from digging under or any other critters. So I found this used to be like a wash bin on one of the houses that I was working on, and I thought, well, this will be perfect for the pig waterer because it's made of fiberglass heavy duty material. So we're going to put that in that corner. What we have so far, the whole fence is up, and we have their feed trough. Next thing we do is let the pigs in. So we added out of crates a little pig shelter. It's roughly made out of our scrap lumber. The boys right now are running out the pigs. Oh, here comes. Here they come. Shut the door. Here they are.
They sound like dogs.
They're happy. They haven't been outside yet since we got here. Oh, the one just hops right in. They don't care about anything right now but the food. Piggy piggies!